districts to give you news of flattening the curve. They've been able to achieve this despite, remember, it was the first state to get the first 3 COVID cases and it was the second to have the maximum number of cases, and then it's now the case that it's Kerala that's reported more recoveries than more number of cases. Today, in fact, only 1 new case has been reported out of Kerala. Love Agarwal, the man in the government who's been giving out details of the COVID cases, has also complimented Kerala. Let's see what Kerala has been doing right. Before that, let's go across to Pooja Prasanna, our South Bureau Chief. Pooja, give us a due light. Tell us and highlight what has Kerala been doing right to flatten the curve.
Well, the good news first up is not just one case reported, but also the fact that 36 recoveries have been reported from Kerala. Now, the total active cases in the state has come down to 138. This is from over 350 cases that were reported just last week. So, yes, while the number of new cases reported are coming down, the number of recoveries are going up. What has the government done in Kerala? First up, they had a head start right before the rest of the states woke up to this deadly virus. Kerala started screening in bus stands, in railway stations, in even airports ahead of the rest of the country. They started ensuring mandatory isolation and also put entire districts which reported on lockdown. And while this was done on one side, on the other hand, the Chief Minister ensured that there are grocery kits that are delivered, there are cooked meals that are delivered, not just to people under the BPL line, but also those in the entire district, like Pathanamthitta, one of the first districts to report. So in this, people had absolutely no reason to venture outside, even with excuses like going to buy groceries, going to pick up essentials, because everything was reaching their doorstep. A systematic crackdown on the virus on one side, the healthcare sector that is really far ahead of the rest of the country in the state. All of this combined ensure that Kerala is ahead of the state. Also to be noted here is the fact that Kerala still remains one of the top 3 states in the country in terms of the number of tests that are conducted. So yes, while there are more tests being conducted, fewer cases being reported. So overall, good news and a Kerala model emerging from the southern state.
And viewers, that's exactly what we're going to be taking as the example. That's what India is going to follow. Flatten the curve, have social distancing.